What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome back to another podcast of 5-Star Cars. While we're in lockdown here in Ireland, I can't really go anywhere, so I think podcasts are well, the channel, most of it is podcasts, but we will be doing car reviews and vlogs and road trips and the main goal of this channel obviously is to do a car project. The aim is to get a Toyota MR2 or a Nissan 300ZX. We need to save anywhere between 2,000 to 3,000 euros, which is going to take a bit of time, but we will get there. And that's the goals of this channel. It's obviously to get big. I know I'm a small new channel, but if you like chatting about some of your favorite car YouTubers, get involved. I hope you guys will, smash the subscribe button, help us get to 2,000 subscribers. That is a goal. We will be doing a giveaway when we get to 2,000 subscribers. And even if you just comment, guys, like anything at all to help the channel, it really does mean a lot to me. But even just you taking a few minutes out of your day, it means a lot just for you to check us out here. Today's video, we're going to be covering Tavarish. Has finally released a video in the last, I don't know how long, 2 weeks since after his last car track video. We're going to be covering that. Savage Garage have released a video the other day. Basically, is after getting a Hellcat. There's some Koenigsegg CCX content in there and some 4GT content we'll cover. And Effspot, another person who hasn't posted in a good 3 weeks, has made a new video. He's back in LA. So there are the three guys we're going to be covering today. Just before we jump into the video, guys, as I explained, the long-term goal of this channel is always to be car projects. I grew up in the Fast and Furious days. I want to make I had a Supra show car, I've had a Civic show car. I haven't done a modified show car in a long time, and I want to go back doing it. And obviously the goal again is to get a JDM car and modify the crap out of it and turn it into a show car. And yeah, that's what I'm aiming for. So if you want, again, guys, if you want to be part of that and help us get to that, all you gotta do is hit one or two buttons, and it really does help the channel grow. And when we get monetized, I'm going to show you the paycheck of this channel every month. And every cent that we save into the bank account, I'm going to show you the bank account savings every month as well. So I'm going to be completely honest with you. And if you want to see that, guys, this is the channel that does it. Nobody else does it. When we hit 2,000 subscribers, we are definitely doing a giveaway. LED Lamborghini sign behind me, or Ferrari one, whichever one you want. Or the other option is some merch from your favorite car YouTubers like DDE, TJ Hunt. You get a hat or a t-shirt, I'll buy it for you and send it out. But guys, if you want to win it, you got to subscribe, and once we hit 2,000 subs, I'll pick a winner and I shall send it out to you. So yeah, that's mainly kind of basically what we'll be doing on the channel. And I think we'll just jump into today's video and not try and keep it too long on you. So as I said, basically Tavarish is back. He has dropped a video. It's 34 minutes long, so it's well worth the watch. I was watching it while doing my cardio on my treadmill when I got home from work, and it's a very good video because it's for a good cause. A guy he met at the Festival of Speed in the UK. His wife ended up getting sick, unfortunately, with stage 3 breast cancer. He had to sell a lot of stuff, his work and his job, and then the engine went on his 143,000 mile Audi R8. And this Audi R8 is a 2015, it's a V8, and it's the last ever manual that was made, because you can only get them in 2014. But this guy got this specially ordered from Audi. They did it for him and him only. It's the last one ever done, and the engine gave in. So basically what's happened here is Tavarish, with his wife being sick, and obviously the guy needs a car. He's went out of his way. Audi gave him a new engine, and Tavarish installed it. And I mean, what a brilliant guy Tavarish is. So here's just a quick clip of the car. It's narrow grey, black wheels. It's absolutely sick. I'm just going to show you a quick clip of the car and the sound off the exhaust.
This is a 2015 Audi R8, and it's not a super low mileage example. It doesn't have a 1,000 horsepower twin turbo kit, and it's not even mine, but this car is one of the most important in modern history, because this exact car, was the last one fitted with a gated manual transmission. Go around the roundabout. Everything shifts over to one side. And that gate. I'm driving a piece of history.
What a car. Honestly, guys, the way I look at it is, for me, a goal on this channel has always been do the JDM car, then maybe get a car between 10 15,000, and then but not the ultimate goal, but one of the major goals for me is to get an Audi R8. The major goal would be like a Ferrari F430 or something for this channel. Big goals, but we got to dream for something. But this narrow grey Audi R8 is so nice. Like, it sounds so good. If you need some content to binge on, you're bored at home, guys, head over to the Tavarish's channel and watch the video. You know, I think it was a 7 months it took him, because obviously we were doing car trick and stuff like that. But yeah, you know, fair dues to Tavarish. You know, what a great guy, and can't wait for his other content to come out with 675 LT. He's going to have a lot of stuff coming out, and hopefully get back dropping more videos soon. So moving on to number 2, guys, on our list is Savage Garage. So they have released a video the other day. I'll fill you in what's been kind of going on with it. So basically, it looks like he got the Koenigsegg CCX home, and then he did some messing around with it, and now he's after buying a Hellcat, SRT Hellcat, and mess around with 4GT. That's basically what he's done. So yeah, the Hellcat is a beast of a car. 707 horsepower, absolutely nuts, you know. But here I'm going to show you a video, like maybe 3 video clips smashed together from this video, of my favorite bits of this video of the cars. So enjoy. Yeah, guys, what you think of that? I mean, the Ford GT sounds unbelievably mental. The Hellcat is mental. Koenigsegg is mental. All his cars are mental. I wish I had that kind of money. I'm gonna go and play the lotto on Friday, because I'm sick of being not having money, being broke, and trying to save money for a JDM car. Yeah, I mean, absolutely what a collection, and the sound of those cars is insane. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the CCX. It's perfect. I love it. They're such a great looking car. They sound mental, and the 4GT is sick as well. Oh god, I wish I had those in my collection. Which one out of the 3 of them would you take if you had a choice? I'm presuming we all take the CCX anyway. So yeah, guys, comment below, let me know what you think of Savage Garage. Get involved, please do. And last on our list basically is Effspot is back. He hasn't posted in a good 3 weeks. He's back from Japan finally. He's back doing car spotting, what I like him doing. I wasn't into his whole Japan thing over there. It was the same content over and over again with the exhausts. You know, people were just getting sick of it. And yeah, he's back car spotting, and it was pretty cool actually. It just, see guys, before I show you this video, this is something that you have to understand why I can't give you this kind of content. We are in Ireland. We do not have this kind of stuff in California, in Los Angeles, in the States. We don't have these cars here for me to go off and go down to a Cars and Coffee. A Cars and Coffee here, you'd be lucky to even see a Porsche. Now mind, a Zonda and 5 SVs and, you know, like Porsche Taycan and all these mental cars. We don't have that here. If we did, I would be going down gladly with my camera recording this stuff for you, but unfortunately we don't. So here's some of the best bits I liked from you know, Effspot's video. There's some sweet cars in this video.
That's nice. We got a little GT3 RS action over here, parking right next to Marcus's car. Oh yeah, look at this. Got combos. Look at this kit on this Murcielago. You guys can identify that. Please let me know in the comments below about what the heck. Huh. Alright. We got a matching 720S Spider in purple with a purple F12. That's really nice. Oh, look at this. A McLaren GT. Zonda S.
Absolutely nuts, guys. You guys in the States, you're so lucky you don't even realize it, especially in Los Angeles. I know it's an expensive place to live, but look at the cars you have. Like if you're a proper car petrol head like we all are, to be able to see those cars at meets and be able to see them up close. Oh, I've never even been in a supercar. I've seen them in Toronto. I've seen like SEs, whatever. I've seen them close, but that's it. Like, you know, I've never been in a supercar in my life. My Supra was probably the fastest car I ever had and drove. So, you know, you don't understand. Like, it's so frustrating that we don't have that here in Ireland to give you that kind of content. But I'm glad Effspot is back, and I love watching the car spotting and what's going on and what kind of cars are there. The Zonda was absolutely sick. If you have seen the video, guys, comment below. Out of all the cars that came up in this video, video, do let me know in the comments below which one you would pick. Yeah, it'd be pretty interesting. I suppose a lot of people pick the Zonda. It would definitely be up there on my list. So yeah, guys, that's everything for today. Just following on, what I think I'm going to do is, if you have watched the end, honestly, thank you. I don't know if people are watching to the end of my videos. At the end of my videos, I do put in at the very end, you know, like a car launch of like a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or something like that with an exhaust system, because I think it's pretty cool for the end of the video. So I hope you're enjoying them if you are watching to the very end. Guys, if you want to subscribe, if you want to become a hardcore member and help support the channel by us getting a project card, there's a Patreon link below. You know, if you want to become a Patreon you know, supporter of the channel, it would mean a lot. Or you can buy some merch if you want to buy some merch to support the channel. I'm going to be making more merch as well in the next few weeks. I'm going to order some merch for me and show them to you on camera so you can see it. So yeah, guys, that's everything for today. Thanks very much wherever you're in the world, and thanks for checking us out, and you know, hope you're safe. So peace out wherever you are in the world, and bye.